Welcome to Dassault Systèmes Research and Development Team, the heart of innovation. Our mission is to turn imagination into reality. By leveraging science and technology, we imagine and operate the game-changing solutions that help industries reinvent themselves for a better future, for a better world. Every day, 10,000 talented people across the globe bring together modeling, simulation, data and AI to build virtual twin experiences within virtual worlds. These 3D universes are true catalysts of innovation for our 300,000 customers. From next-generation mobility to tomorrow's precision medicine, they design, experiment, and optimize solutions that have real global impact. Let's meet our talented teams.
Thank you, Florence. My job is to define the portfolio of CATIA solutions that shapes the virtual twin of any product, ensuring its performance and manufacturability in the real world. I also work closely with our customers to gain a deep understanding of their industrial challenges. This is essential to create solutions that deliver meaningful impact. Together with our R&D engineer, we imagine and define the solution to address these challenges. And finally, I ensure that the value we deliver is fully understood, adopted, and brings tangible benefit to our clients. Pierre, how do you bring this solution to life?
Well, building on more than 40 years of heritage in modeling and simulation technologies, I am responsible for developing new AI-based 3D design solutions. My work is grounded in science, from mathematical equations to data science. I create specialized industrial AI models that are trained on both synthetic and real-world 3D data. They are validated with concrete industrial use cases to ensure performance, robustness, and safety over time. Then, by combining modeling, simulation, and AI model, we deliver game-changing experiences that enable our users to generate optimal design up to 10 times faster. The quality of such solution is essential to ensure large-scale user adoption. And now, let's meet Chaitanya.
Our quality engineering teams are committed to ensuring that every solution we deliver meets the high standards of quality and performance expected by our users. With AI, we efficiently generate, run, and analyze tests on hundreds of industrial scenarios and data. This allows us to reflect on the diverse needs of our customers across every industry and discipline. For AI-powered solutions, we guarantee smooth and reliable deployment into end-user experiences. We test for global resilience against edge cases to maintain consistent performance and absolute system integrity. Now, Caitlin, can you tell us how our DevOps ensures that services run seamlessly across the globe?
Thanks, Chaitanya. Our mission in operations is to provide reliable, scalable, and secure software experiences for our customers. Our work starts right at the design stage, ensuring that robust architectural patterns and strong monitoring and recovery systems are built in right from the start. Once the software is ready, cloud operations coordinates deployments, including zero downtime upgrades, so customers experience uninterrupted service. Once in production, our teams monitor performance and ensure continuous availability of our solutions around the world.
Every day, at Dassault Systèmes, our R&D team imagines solutions to solve today's and tomorrow's challenges. If you are passionate about science and technology, if you are driven by meaningful innovation, join us and let's shape the future together.